In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 desktop not refreshing automatically. Method 1. Clear File Explorer History. Press the Windows key plus E to open File Explorer. Click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner and select Folder Options. Under the Privacy section, ensure all boxes are checked, including Show Recently Used Files and Show Frequently Used Folders. Click on the Clear button to clear the File Explorer history. Then click on Restore Defaults and click Apply and OK to save the changes. Second method. Run an SFC and DISM scan. Open the CMD and then run the command prompt as an administrator. Copy and paste the following commands one by one. SFC/scan now, press enter, and then DISW/online/cleanup image/restore health. Press enter and then restart your computer when you finish. The third method is to restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on the Windows button and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager, locate Windows Explorer or Explorer.xex. Right-click on it and choose Restart or End Task. Note, your taskbar might disappear temporarily, which is normal as Windows Explorer restarts. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.